chose Airtable because we were able to get a lot of seats in the platform and access to all of the basic features for free. It had a nice and clean UX. It also had a lot of integrations with other software like Outlook and Zapier, etc.
Well, when I first saw Airtable, I was really attracted to how nice it looks and how it lays out data in such a visually easy to navigate way. It just really takes database and the management of data to the next level and really enables you to do all the things that you might want to do with data.
Airtable is extremely simple to use. I like the fact that it has several different viewing formats, just a number of different ways that you can present the data, much more flexible than other software.